Hi everyone, today we are going to be making Ofada sauce, and this is the Ofada rice. Have you been wondering how to make this sauce? Not to worry, in this video I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to achieve this. So just stay with me and watch this video till the end. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to empty it into a bowl. You can see how dirty it is. Guys, you need to wash this rice very clean, as in take your time to wash it to get rid of all the dirt until the water turns very clean like this. This is how it should be after washing it. With this, you know your rice is very clean. Then you can go ahead and start cooking it. So for this, I'm going to use my rice cooker to cook it. I just want it to be extra soft because what I'm saying, this rice is very hard. Now while that is cooking, the first thing we are going to do is to bleach our palm oil. So here I'm pouring in the palm oil into a pan. You have to use enough oil, yes, enough palm oil. So to bleach the oil, you are going to make sure you cover the pot with the pot lid and allow it for a while. So at the end, your oil must be looking this way. When you check it and it's like this, then you know your oil has bleached enough. So now I'm going to add in the proteins, and this should be a combination of the liver, shaki, the intestines, and other parts like that in the goat. But here I'm using just the shaki and some intestines. That is only what I can find in my location. So after frying the proteins, I have to use the same oil to still fry the onions and the locust beans, because of the infused flavor from the protein. I just have to use that same oil. Of course, you just have to use that same oil. You don't need to change it. So now the onions and the locust beans are in there. After 1 or 2 minutes, now I'm adding in the peppers. This is the main G in the sauce. So these peppers are a combination of paprika peppers, Scotch bonnet peppers, tatashe, atarodo. You just blend it roughly, not very smooth, roughly. After blending it roughly, then you are good to go. So here I've just added it in, so I'm just stirring that. I'll allow it to fry for like 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll go ahead now to add my seasoning cubes. The seasoning cube is hard, so I'll just allow it there to get soaked so that it can easily be broken down. I've just added salt. This is crayfish. I blended the crayfish, and that is what I've just added. I'm going to stir that up together to mix very well and allow it to fry for another few minutes. Before now, I have already boiled some eggs. This sauce goes with boiled eggs, so I'm just going to add that in. Also, I'm going to add the fried protein all together. I'm going to add it in and give it a nice stir for everything to combine and for the sauce to infuse into the proteins and the eggs. I will allow it for a few minutes to fry, and guys, your Ofada sauce is ready. It is as simple as this. It is not difficult to prepare. Once you have your peppers, and remember, the Scotch bonnet peppers must not be much. If you like it to be very hot, as in you like the heat, then you can add much Scotch bonnet pepper. If not, reduce the Scotch bonnet pepper and use more of Paprika's peppers, that's the sweet peppers. So guys, this sauce is ready. It is super delicious. It is so nice. I want you to try it and let me know your take on it. Okay, so now tell me, are you going to be trying this? And please remember to share this video. So many people are wondering how the sauce is being prepared. Share with them so that they can also know how to prepare it instead of running to the buka all the time. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for watching up till this point. I really do appreciate you from wherever you are watching us from. I'm giving you a big hug and kisses, and I hope to see more of you in my next one with another amazing recipe. Just keep following us and you will not regret it. Bye bye. Check us also on YouTube and Instagram at Global Foodies for more delicious recipes.